good day. My name is Denix, your real estate advisor from Defield Homes and Properties. Here, this is 2-bedroom terrace. Here, Oba Pram 3, the Onyx, and permit me to tell you something. We just won the African Property Award as the best developer for residential apartments in Nigeria, right? So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I have where I'm taking you to. When this property you are seeing here is an offline project, you know, some clients, when you tell them that we have properties and it's off plan, they say no. So this property you are seeing here, clients subscribe to them on off-plan basis. Can I tell you something? A client bought into this Onyx when it was selling for 32 million. 2 weeks after, it was increased to 44.9 million. Presently now, that's what this 2-bedroom terrace is going for, 44.9 million naira. And that client made gain within 2 weeks of about 10 million naira. That's what you stand to gain. Now look at this design. Is this not a gorgeous design? You will agree with me that this is gorgeous. This is just 2-bedroom terrace. This is the dining area. And when we show you the floor plan, you will see that we are just very generous with the spaces. Let me show you the kitchen. This is what you have here. Don't you like what you are seeing? Now, this is just the beginning, because what we're going to give to you at Hockley is going to give you a taste called the Millennial Taste. That's where I'm taking you to. But I want you, sales is still going on here, but this is not where I'm going. Okay? I just want to show you our style of design, the kind of quality, the kind of finishing that we come up with, the kind of quality that we give out to clients, even when we say we are selling on off-plan basis. Why are clients rushing off-plan? Because you buy at a low price, and before the project finishes, the price has gone up. Even if you are reselling, call it flipping in real estate, even if you are reselling almost immediately, you're already making handsome gain. Let's go upstairs. This is the living room. This is a lounge, right? This is just lounge, and you can also go for a living room in the 2-bedroom terrace. Then you have this so it's overlooking within the estate. This is your glass door to go to this balcony. This is the kind of design that we give. Now let's go into one of the bedrooms. What are you telling me? Will you tell me you don't like this? I know you like it. This is one of the bedrooms, right? This is one of the bedrooms. And all the bedrooms, of course, are en suites. Now come and take a look. What do you have there? You are pleased with what you see there. the jacuzzi, the bathroom, the wash and basin. Everything is going for this design. Yeah, good day to you smart investors. This is Dennis, your real estate advisor from Deepfield Homes and Properties. Please permit me to bring to you Hockey. Like the video I showed you in Urban Prime 3 Phase 2, this is like what you are going to get in this Hockey. Standard design with attention to details. Because this project is coming off plan. That Urban Prime 3 also was off plan. And the people who have trust in us, they subscribe to it. I want to give you a testimonial of a client who subscribed into the earnings when it was 32 million naira. He subscribed into it. After 2 weeks, the price jumped up to 44.9 million naira. Wow. Within 2 weeks, he made for himself 10 million naira. Even when the house was not physically seen, he had already made himself such huge profit. So I bring to you an opportunity in this Hockley. Hockley presents a millennial town. The buildings here, they come with a taste, millennial taste. You have eco-friendly apartments here. You have co-living 1 bedroom. You have 1 bedroom studio apartment. You have 2 bedroom studio apartment. You have 3 bedroom studio. You have 2 bedroom maisonette. These are what you have here in this Hockley. Now, why am I telling you to buy property here in this place? You buy property here because this is an off-plan project. It just came into the market. Just follow me as I take you inside. We just launched this estate with introductory price, which I will tell you later. Now, when you buy in here, you are buying at a low price. When you are selling, which you call property flipping in real estate, then you will sell at a higher price. Now, shortlets, if you are not staying in, you want to rent it, what we call Airbnb, you have very much good to go, because Airbnb is in vogue now, and we have a department that majorly dedicatively manage that for our clients. You buy it, we'll manage it for you, right? Within 18 months, you'll be seeing full houses here, full apartments here. You'll be seeing full apartments here. As I told you, that Urban Prime that I showed you, this is how it was, and you can see what I showed you there. So hurry up and subscribe into this place. Now, the value of this property is going to go up high. Reason is this. You see this road? That is number one reason. This property is prominently sitting on Lekki Expressway. Then number 2 reason is that you are buying low. This place is a developing area, right? Then as it is a developing area, you are buying the value of properties here are low now. The prices are low. So by the time you will be selling it, the prices would have gone up and you will sell high. You buy low, you sell high. That is number 2. Number 3 reason that makes economic sense why you should buy property here is because of the environment. The environment will impact on the value of a property here. Here to my right hand side, you have the Amen Estate, a stone throw from here. you have the Pan-Africa University, you have the Dangote Refinery, you have the Lekki Deep Sea Port, you have the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Everything is there, and all this we impart into the value. Then to my left hand side, you have the Lagos Business School, the famous Lagos Business School. You have the famous Lagos Business School. You have the biggest ShopRite in Lagos State, right? VGC is there. So all this will impact on the value of your property here. And then you will see that with every passing 24 months, the value of a property is doubling. So this is the reason you must come and buy now. The scenario I told you, it happened when even the physical property was not on ground. So why am I saying it now? You have to hurry up, because as the development progresses, the prices go up. So before the prices go up, you will just lock down these initial prices with just your initial deposit of 5 million naira. Of course, you can take as many units as you want to. You have co-living 1 bedroom, which is for 12.5 million. We have a 1 bedroom studio apartment, which is for 17 million. We have a 2 bedroom apartment, which is for 25 million. We have 2 bedroom maisonette, which is for 30 million naira. All of them 5 million naira initial deposit. I will have payment plan up to 18 months. The title of this estate is certificate of occupancy. Everything is going for it. Just I'm a phone call away from you. Dial the code you are seeing there. We will guide you on how to get started to acquiring as many units as you want here. Thank you.